Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your YouTube channel logo. It is very simple. The first thing you have to do is head over to your YouTube channel, then go to the upper right corner where you already have your logo and click on it. Then scroll down where it says setting and then click on setting. Okay, now you have to click right here where it say edit on Google. So this will bring you to Google page, and then this is where you have to click right here to click on it and change the logo. Before you do that, you have to have your logo already made. Then you click right here and click upload photo. If you already have a photo on your Google Drive, you can click on it, but if you don't, you have to go through your computer to get the logo that you would like to post to your channel. Okay, now I'm looking for, I just click on the logo. This is the logo I will be adding to my channel. And then after you have it, you can also adjust the size. Oops, I'll do it again. Okay, you can adjust the size the way you want it. You can move it. Okay, then click done. When you change the logo, it's not gonna show immediately on your channel. It will take like maybe 5 to 15 minutes and you will see it on YouTube. Let's go check. Oops. Sometimes it's just show really quick, but most of the time it doesn't. So this is all, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope now you'll be able to change your channel logo with no problem. If you have any question, please ask. Don't forget to comment, like the video, and also share it with any friend that you might have. And thank you for watching.